Modern ventilation does not have to be made of steel. At LEBECO, we carried out a different installation of textile air ducts that provide even air distribution throughout the space. Unlike traditional piping, air is supplied through thousands of precisely designed perforations. The result is the elimination of drafts, a more stable temperature, and greater comfort for both employees and technology. Textile sleeves are significantly lighter than steel pipes, their installation is quicker, and maintenance is simpler. If necessary, they can be disassembled and washed, which is a significant advantage, especially in the food industry. That is why we meet them in bakeries, dairies, production halls, and warehouses, also in logistics centers, sports halls, and administrative buildings. We design each project individually according to the required airflow and the dimensions of the space. We take all operating conditions into account. This ensures optimal air distribution exactly where it is needed. Today, this implementation for the company LEBECO confirms that modern textile ventilation can enhance comfort. At the same time, it helps improve hygiene and reduce operating costs. Adrian Group. We design ventilation that works efficiently.